Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So if you want to grow your hair and you want to reduce your hair loss, please watch this video to the end. Okay, so I'm going to be making this hair growth black soap shampoo. It's going to help you to grow your hair and it's going to help you to reduce shedding. So I had a client that said her hair was shedding a lot and she needs a shampoo that will help her to reduce hair shedding and also grow her hair. So I decided to make this for her. Okay, so this shampoo, I have been using it on my own hair and it has been working well. Okay, so I'm going to be using all these ingredients you guys are seeing. Because of the hair shedding, I'm using this pure green tea because green tea helps in strengthening our hair and helps to reduce hair shedding when you use it consistently on your hair. So these are the ingredients I'm using. In a clean bowl just like this, I'm going to be adding my dudu osun. Okay, if you have this Ghana black soap, you can use that, or any other black soap, you can use that. But because I'm in Nigeria and this is the dudu osun I can use, and I love using dudu osun because it works for my hair as well. So I decided to use this for this particular client because I love doing things that works for me. I know it's going to work for you as well because I have tried it and tested it on my hair. So I cut this in little pieces because I need this to melt. Okay, so you can grate this, you can cut it, you can do it anyhow you want, but make sure you soak this inside hot water, okay, so that it can melt. So I put water a little bit above the badge of the dudu osun I have. I don't want to make too much because I'm also going to be soaking our herbal ingredient. Okay, so I'm going to leave this, cover it and leave it till it is dissolved permanently. So in this jar like this, I'm going to be adding my green tea. Okay, green tea is so good to help you in terms of reducing hair shedding, and it also helps in cleansing your scalp, and also helps in balancing the pH. Yeah, so I'm going to be using 2 of it because I'm doing a bigger batch. So I'm going to be using 2. If you're doing a smaller batch, you can use 1. Okay, if you're having a lot of excess shedding on your hair, please use 2. All right, so for my measuring spoon, I'm using 1 tablespoon, which is 15 ml, okay, to measure the ingredients we'll be adding to it. So for my cloves, I'm going to be putting 1 full of this for my clove. Same thing as the rosemary and the fenugreek seed, because those 3 ingredients are my favorite right now. You know, when you keep on doing a particular thing on your hair get used to that stuff. Okay, you know that stuff really works for you. Okay, I always say consistency is the key. Keep on using a particular thing on your hair, is going, and you see that it's working, keep on using it. Just like when you love drinking water, right? You drink water every day. Yeah, that is how it is when you are using a particular treatment or a particular spice. Okay, so I'm going to be adding water into this and I'm going to allow this to infuse. As it's infusing, so as the black soap is dissolving. So when the black soap is ready, this will be ready as well. So this is what we have right now. I'm going to allow this to sit aside and I'll be back later to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what I'm having for now, and this is few minutes later, and I'm totally covering it right now. So let it just soak very well and do its work. So this is later, after I think 8 hours thereabout, and I kept on turning the black soap, so that you can see when there are still some chunks and you know when it has totally dissolved. So I was checking the black soap to make sure that everything has dissolved. Okay, then now I'm going to be turning in our tea. Okay, the tea I did, the green tea and cloves and the rest, I'm going to be turning it inside here. It's still a bit steamy. Okay, so I'm going to turn it inside here, mix it together with the black soap and it's pretty simple. You use this to wash your hair. It's going to help you to strengthen your hair strand. It's going to help you to cleanse your scalp as well. Okay, so I'm adding tea tree inside, and I'm also going to be adding my vitamin E oil. So I just pour a few drops of tea tree inside. Then I'm going to be using 2 cups of vitamin E oil. I'm going to put this inside. Okay, so this 3 cups of vitamin E oil. I said 2 before, sorry about that. It's 3 cups, please. It's 3 cups. So 3 of vitamin E oil. I'm going to be putting it inside this shampoo, and I'll mix everything together, and that's it, guys. This can last you for months. Okay, it can last you for months depending on how you wash your hair. It can last you up to 6 months and to not get spoiled, because the batch I have done for myself, I did that last year, and I'm still using it up to this 2025. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So the benefit of all this I use is in my description box. Do want to check it out. So I'm just going to squeeze everything. I make sure everything has inside this shampoo. Then I mix to combine everything together. Make sure you mix it well to combine all the whole things you have added inside, and this is how it looks like. Okay, this is very foamy. It's really foaming. Okay, so I'm going to be transferring this into a bottle for my client. I want to wash my hair. This is 2 weeks of me carrying this braid. Okay, I've carried this braid for 2 weeks on my hair, and I've been using that fenugreek seed and fresh rose petals. So I use that treatment for 2 weeks on my hair. So it's time for me to wash my hair and use a new ingredient or a new tea on my hair, which will be coming out, which will be dropping later on in the channel. Do want to check it out. So the shampoo I made for my client, I have my own. That is what I'm going to be using, and I made 2 batch for my clients. Okay, so it's really effective. It has been saving my hair a lot. Like, my hair right now is shed, but not as massive as before. Okay, so my hair before, if I comb my hair, the floor of my house is always filled with my hair. I know how annoying that thing can be. Yeah, but ever since I've been using the combination of this shampoo on my hair has been doing amazing. So this is the batch I have. I'm almost running out. I'll make another one for myself, but for the purpose of this video, I made it for a client, and I decided to share the recipe with you, my beautiful subscribers, as well. So I am dry washing my hair. I did not put water on my hair. I'm just washing it like this, just to get in the build-ups I have. Okay, if I put water on my hair, everything will be dripping on my eyes. So just because I'm doing a video, I have to dry wash. Okay, so I'm just gonna be pouring it on my hair, scrubbing my scalp. Okay, because my braids are still new, that is why I'm not using my scalp massager to brush it well, because my braids are still new, because I don't want to really get the braids loosed up faster. Yeah, so I'm just going to be applying it on my hair using my fingers to brush my scalp. Then after that, I will rinse it out and wash it again. I wash my braids for two times. I wash my braids 2 times. Okay, I'm just gently massaging the front of my edges, and I'm also going to be doing this no no hands challenge on my edges, because it had really saved my edges in the previous 2 months I did. So I'll do my normal routine, but I won't be touching my front edges as I always do before. Yes, but this is what my hair is looking at right now. Me washing it, cleaning my scalp. This is going to clean your scalp. If your scalp is dirty, have a lot of built up and all, this is going to help you to clean your scalp very well. Okay, if you've watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comment. Right now I'm just rinsing it out, then I'll go in for the second one and I'll show you guys the result of my scalp when I am done. So far I'm done washing my hair, and this is what my hair looks like my scalp is really clean, like literally clean. I love how my hair is right now. It's going to also soften your hair as well. So this is how my hair looks like after this particular wash, and I'll be doing the rest of my treatment, which will come out in another vlog. So please subscribe if you have not. Stay tuned for more amazing DIY content like this. The braids are looking new, right? Looking so clean. Yeah, so this shampoo is going to help you to stop hair loss and help you to treat any buildup you have. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.